next modifier we are going to learn is the Displace Modifier. I have a plane here. As you can see, it has a lot of segments because I want the deformation to be as soft as possible. And it's part of the parametric modifier, so I can add it here on the list. I can check for it here, but I'm going to show you another option. Here in the configure modifier sets, first I need to click on show buttons. Right now it shows me the select modifiers because that's what is selected, but I can also add the parametric modifiers. Eventually I can even edit my sets. So there I'm going to take my Displace modifier. Depending on the rendering engine, you can also have Displace modifiers on that engine. In the case of V-Ray Displace Modifier, it has a 2D and 3D. As you can see here, the way I can map it, it's not 3D, it's just 2D, so it's just going to take, it's going to increase the deformation up and down. The way to load this is by clicking here. I load an image, but I already have a map loaded. Okay, and I'm going to just click and drag it there as an instance. I don't see anything, but as soon as I increase the strength, I see how it is modified. As you can see here in my image, what is lower there is the black, and the things that keep going up is the white. And this is because it considers white as 1 and black as 0. And my 0 position, the black parts are aligned with my 0 position. So if I want to do this in the other way, I can or keep my whole plane in the original center. Then I click on Luminance Center and I put it down. Okay, and I of course can just do it the other way around as a minus. Usually you would already set up your image in that way. And so that I don't have these holes here, I can change the size of my image. I can also tell it to fit exactly the image. You have all the channeling options, and this we will see, the map channel we'll see later. I'm going to remove this map and I'm going to show you another nice option that could be useful for animation. Okay, this is simply a dot, and so what I can do is just click on this triangle, select the gizmo, and animate this dot. So it's like something is under a blanket or something. And every modifier that has these options like selecting points or gizmo or UV map, if I click right now out here, I cannot really select my option because it's inside a modifier. So I always have to click here again, and now I can select my plane. You don't have to actually go inside the arrow. You can just click here. Now it's in the gizmo option, and click again, and now it's in my plane option. One other thing I'm going to show you is this silly landscape I created to show you how the Displace modifier can help you with this low poly aesthetics. First thing we have to do, this is already part of poly modeling, is select all the edges and make the crease hard. That's already giving me a low poly feeling, mostly right here, but on the edges I don't see it so much, and that's because I need more variation towards the light rays. So then I apply a Displace modifier, and to it I'm going to add a noise map that I already created. The reason why I already created this noise map is because if I add the noise procedural one, then I have to adjust the points, so it's just to make it faster. So I add a little bit of strength and make it stay to the center. And you can already see here in the border now that it starts looking more low poly.